In this video, we'll show you how to convert your Kahr 380 magazine from 6 rounds to 7 rounds, or from 7 rounds to 8 rounds, using the MagGuts spring system. Wear your safety goggles because we'll be working with springs. Now, the assembly instructions for the Kahr 6-round magazines to convert it to 7 rounds and to convert the 7-round magazine to 8 rounds is the same. The only difference is this large spring is a little bit longer when you convert the 7-round magazine to 8 rounds. So we'll convert the 6-round magazine. First thing we'll need to do is to disassemble the magazine. Just get something sharp like a pen and press the little button on the bottom of the magazine and slide the base plate off while holding your thumb over the end so the springs don't fly out. Remove the lock plate, spring and follower, and set those aside. Now we're ready to put it back together. Now, the orientation of all of the parts relative to the magazine are important, so this is the layout and how everything should be oriented as you put it back together. First step is we'll take the follower, put it in the base of the magazine, followed by the large spring. You want to make sure that the end of the large spring is toward the flat side of this magazine. Go ahead and push it all the way in. And then the connecting cup goes next. Now, on the connecting cup, one end has a larger flange than the other end. See, this one is shorter and this end is longer. You want to make sure that this longer flange goes toward the flat side of the magazine. You just want to insert it right into the end of that large spring like that. Next comes a small spring, and that will assemble end to end with a large spring like this. And just put it right into the end of the large spring into the connecting cup. And then next we install the lock plate. The lock plate just goes right into the end of the small spring like that. And you'll notice there's a flange on the end of the lock plate right here. You want to make sure that that stays outside of the magazine during assembly. So we'll compress the springs, making sure that that flange is outside the magazine. Slide base plate on until it snaps into place. And it's assembled. Again, verify that that lock plate flange is outside of the magazine. Okay, then we just want to put 7 rounds in to verify everything fits. Got 7 rounds in there. Go ahead and insert it into the firearm. We've done it. We've converted the 6-round factory magazine to 7 rounds using the MagGuts spring system.